Hello mga kiyad, for today's video, wala may binisiyaan ni Kajin. Kada tabi na mo, puro English. Nagaguliyang among in English mga kiyad, tanawan niyo. Sige, mag-in English na mga kiyad. Nagaguliyang among in English.
Yeah, it's a good English time.
Sige, mag-in English na mga kiyad.
Yeah.
Na, in English. Hindi Kajin, kasi nag-in English. Hindi na nagumong bisaya. Nag-unsa mo eskulahan ni Kajin? Nagso what?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yaka?
Yes.
Sure? Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes? What are you doing there in the school?
Talking
Talking
nice house.
talking your classmate?
No?
No?
Talking my nice house and the room.
And the
Building house.
building house and the
And house is
bigger than
and
you?
small.
Bigger than you?
No?
No?
Wrong.
Wrong?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yaka? Yaka?
No?
No. Right?
Yeah.
Right now?
No, 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 no.
No?
Yeah,
What do you think of you? Do you think of me?
yeah.
Yeah? Ka? Yaka?
Yeah.
Mag-in-English ni Kajin mga kayat. What can I do for you?
I talking and my friends.
Can you talk with your friends?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I talk my friends.
Do you talk your friends?
Yeah. Talk
Yeah.
friends.
What do you talk your friends?
Toko? It's a toko. Tiki.
Your friend is a lizard?
No?
No?
My friend is towel.
Tawo?
Yeah.
What do you mean tawo?
My name is Jacqueline Panunzao.
Name of your friends?
Jacqueline Panunzao.
What?
Jacqueline Panunzao.
What?
Jacqueline Panunzao.
Jacqueline Panuncial?
Yeah.
I'm right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yaka?
No?
No?
It's wrong.
What do you think of Jacqueline Panuncial? Talking of you.
Talking.
Talking. What?
Talking and my friends and me.
And you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
You cannot do your doing there in the school?
Can it do?
You cannot do?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Yaka?
Something.
What's
What you are doing? You are funny piece.
I'm a funny pig people.
No, it's a wrong.
You're a funny pig people? No? You're a funny pig. You're a funny pig girl. You're a funny pig kid.
Funny piece.
Funny piece?
Yeah.
Funny piece di pabaga?
It's a wrong. You what doing is you.
You?
You.
You. What you? What do you?
You as a funny piece. No, fresh together.
Your president.
Ha! No again. Black.
Baboy?
No, you but good.
You're a big?
You a baboy?
Like that?
No.
No? It's a kind of pig?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you eat a pig?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I eat pig. It's
You
very
you can eat
yummy.
a pig?
Yeah, it's very
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy,
Yummy.
pig. You are Lixon.
You're a little.
Lixon pig kaon. It's very yummy.
It's really yummy. So very yummy pig, Litson?
Yeah.
Yeah. So why you can eat pig Litson?
Yeah, I survived that.
So ayan mo?
Yeah, I Lixon. Lixon to go. They go the baboy.
Do you imagine so hungry?
Yeah, I feel
Your stomach is
Guguling.
your stomach is
Gulong. Yeah! What's that? What's that, Timo?
what's that kind of voice?
Boy!
Oh.
You, me a boy? I'm a girl!
You're a girl?
Yeah!
Yeah? I'm a boy.
You a boy?
Oh. I'm a baboy.
Yeah! You a baboy. Batoon kita.
Binasaya na ni Kanjin. English, Roy? What's that kind of toy?
Toy is very funny.
Your toy is
Funny.
funny?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Really?
Really?
Really, manggabasay?
No. Funny is this.
Like that?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
Like those?
Yeah, what's that?
Kabayong budlat.
There. It's a funny fish.
Kabayong buntis.
It's a funny fish. Tak, tak, tak. 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 Tak,
Ayaw yung
tak.
pag ibisaya ha. Mga kaya di may magbisaya ay kay kung in English rami.
I know that.
Pasensya na mo sa among in English ha. Nagkasayap sayo pero ba ni?
Bisaya. No,
No,
English.
I'm talking in English words.
No,
Words.
you are Bisaya.
No. I'm talking in English words.
No, I heard.
Can you hear?
Yeah.
My
I
voice?
heard you.
Can you hear me? Bisaya? No.
Yeah.
I'm English people.
No, you are Bisaya. Quack, quack, quack.
Quack quack quack.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack,
Row row row.
quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack.
Awanas na kajud.
What you hear?
What your hair?
It's black.
Your hair is so ugly here.
No, you are bad. You are bad. You are bad. Baboy ka.
Bisaya.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack.
Na.
Quack, quack, quack.
What's that?
Quack,
What's
quack.
that kind of sound? Quack quack quack.
It's a duck.
Duck?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're also a duck.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. It's a funny piece.
Your face is a funny piece.
No, you.
You. I'm not a yo-yo.
You are funny piece.
I'm
You
a.
are blah blah.
You're a blah
funny
blah.
piece.
Your English
Blah,
is
blah,
so
blah. You are bad boy.
ugly English.
You are ugly.
I'm a bad boy. You're a bad breath.
Tweet, tweet, tweet. 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 What you funny me?
I'm a funny yo. Because your face is like a pan.
You are bad.
I can eat you.
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
I can eat a
Tweet, tweet.
tweet tweet tweet.